Hey everyone, welcome back to Dazola Designs, you guys. Happy New Year. If you haven't seen my videos yet this year, haven't really been making them yet. I made a few, been hanging out with my daughter and my family. We've just been taking time. My daughter's been home from school. We've been going here and there. Went to the beach. The beach here in Santa Cruz is gone. My favorite beach is not there. It's just a bunch of rocks. It's really, really crazy to see the last storm with the king tides, and then we had a massive wave. It's crazy. The beach is gone, and it's really, really, really weird. I used to be able to walk for miles, a couple miles, 3-4 miles. We would get a really, really nice walk in, be able to collect a ton of like shells and sea glass and everything. No, it's really, really, really crazy actually. It washed away, it's gone. So we experienced that the other day. It was really, really wild, but it was really, really nice just to take a drive. And I'm really fortunate that I live in an area where the beach is half an hour away from my house. So it's really awesome. So we've just been, if you guys have been with me, I spend time with my daughter. I love my daughter. I love my husband. And we just, during this time, especially during the holidays, we spend a lot of time together. So that's what I've been doing, you guys. I know I'm behind on my giveaways. I will be sending those out and just catching up with everything. We'll be doing tutorials too. I've been looking at a lot of different styles of tutorials and just I'm gonna try some new things this year. There's some tutorials, different tutorial styles that I would like to try. I don't know, who knows, but I am sponsored by Hobie, you guys. Hobie is sending out, they are not playing around this year. Just in the next 3 months, I have 6 projects with them, including this one. First of all, I do have a giveaway in this video, you guys. This is a super spectacular giveaway. This giveaway is really, really pretty. I love the colors in this giveaway, so stay tuned for that. But Hobie's not playing around with their brand ambassadors. I am one of their pattern creators, pattern designers. There is a certain term that they're using now. Hobie Plus Pattern Designers, I believe that is. I'll get it by summer. I'm sure I will have it. But this is first of all, I am almost to 10,000 subscribers. This should have happened a 1.5 years ago, but due to personal issues, I'm just gonna say that my mom got sick. And it really happened in 2022 in February, 2 years ago, really, when my mom got sick. My mom had a stroke. My mom passed away during that summer. I was diagnosed with tumors, and then I went through that whole ordeal. Last year I had surgery, went through that whole ordeal. Now I'm in perimenopause, you guys. Menopause is really, really weird. Going through it, perimenopause right now. It is the absolute weirdest, craziest thing. Really, really weird. So anyway, I'm going through all that, but hopefully I understand now what is happening with my body and with all of these things that is happening. It's just really, really crazy. Anyway, hopefully this year things are more under control, and I can grow my channel more, and that is what my main goal this year for YouTube is, and really for my social media, especially for YouTube. YouTube is my #1 channel. I really, really love this platform. I feel like my channel should be double, probably almost triple the numbers that I have, but just due to my health and circumstances that were really out of my control, my numbers, I feel, are super low. So anyway, 2 years ago, I said when I reached 10,000 that I would create my granny square and that I would call you guys my team, my squad. So that's coming up very, very, very soon. So this is a Dazola Daisy square. This is a granny square that I created. I got COVID in November. I was stuck in isolation in my room for 3 weeks, and I said, you know what? I'm going to make my own granny square. So I did. I created this square. This is a Dazola Daisy square, and I'm super excited. So this is, I made this square specifically for a Hobby project. Hobby sends out once a month, but lately they've been sending them out like once every 3 weeks to their pattern designers. They send out campaigns, influencer campaigns that we have to accept if we want to do it. Lately, they've been sending us a ton. So in the next 3 months, I have 6 separate projects that I have to do for them. 2 of them, I believe, involve all of you guys. So they want you guys to participate in the campaigns, and I believe there will be prizes for all of you in 2 of the separate campaigns. One of them is for Valentine's Day, around that area, and then there is another separate one that I have the details, but like I said, it's just like they're just sending them out, and they are also trying new things, which I'm super excited, and I am super excited to be a part of. So anyway, I have been working like gangbusters on all of these granny squares. I am using Hobie Kind Feather yarn, and it is super spectacular. But this is going to be a poncho, and you guys can see I'm so excited. I've always wanted to make a poncho with the several granny squares, and I'm so excited that this is finally almost done. I do have I have to finish these right here, and then I have 7 left to go, and then I will be finished. Well, then I have to assemble them all, but for me that's the easy part, and then I have to tuck in all the ends. Then it will be finished. I will have this done next Monday. Next Monday is the deadline, so a week from today I will have it finished, and I'm so excited to bring you that project. After this project is finished, I will be making a cardigan using the same square, I believe, but different yarn. And that will be another Hobie project, so I'm super excited about that. In between the Hobie projects, I want to do some crochet tutorials. You guys gave me a ton of inspiration. I just have to really section my time during the day, and that is really what I am going to work on. Last year, I felt like, just because my health was really poor, and there were days where literally where I was just, my migraines were really bad. Everything was just really horrible. I felt like I just wasn't in control of my life, as weird as that sounds. And I know a lot of you like really have been there, and I really appreciate you guys telling me in the comment section, like, I understand what you're going through, and I really appreciate all of you. So thank you so much for talking with me through the comments, because I really appreciate all of you in telling me that I'm not alone and I'm not an island. So I really appreciate all of you. But this year, I'm really, like today, I said, okay, Anne, this hour or 2 hours, hour and a half, you got to do this. And then whatever I did in that hour, got to move on to the next hour. I'm really sectioning my day off like that. Maybe you guys already do that, but this is new to me, and I got to do that, and I have to, and it just keeps me moving on throughout my day. So I've been doing that the past couple of days, and it's really helped me. Especially yesterday, I got a ton of granny squares done, and I feel like, yes, I've accomplished my day. So I'm gonna start doing that, and that is that's really good. So anyway, I'm babbling, but I'm just super excited, and I'm super full of energy for this year. So let's get to this giveaway, you guys. Another thing that I want to touch on about is, I know I was just looking earlier with my daughter, and there are these, and I just it seemed like on YouTube, I have my little channel, and it has, I've been with YouTube for a long time now, it seems like almost 3 years. And I'm really, really happy, and I'm really proud of the accomplishments that I've made. I built this from scratch. I've built this from nothing. But I look at these these channels, like I was just looking at this one channel. They don't talk, okay? It's a crochet tutorial channel. There's no voice, okay? And they just start crocheting, and it's a crochet tutorial, and it's just a zoom in of a person crocheting, and they just do it row by row, and then they do row 1, and then they chain, and then they do the row 2, and then they do whatever it is that they're doing. And this video has like 500,000 views in a month, and I'm like, how is that, how, how? So I'm just like, well, maybe I need to start experimenting, because I feel like I can have, 100, 200, 300,000 views on my videos. And I don't know, it's just, sometimes I just get like really frustrated because I put so much effort into my crochet tutorials. A lot of effort goes into those crochet tutorials, and I feel like my numbers sometimes are just like really, really low. Anyway, I don't know. Sometimes I just get like down, but I appreciate you guys. I really, really do. I appreciate you guys that are watching me, and I appreciate you guys being here. Like I said, I'm just gonna experiment with little different things this year and see what sticks. I'm going to continue doing my yarn giveaways, because I feel like for me, that is a super important thing for me to do, to give back to my crochet community. And that is just a way of me thanking you guys for watching my channel, and I really, really appreciate all of you. So anyway, thanks for listening to me babble. Let's get to this yarn giveaway. I don't have any glasses, so I'm sorry if I get this information a little bit wrong. This giveaway is, there's some crows watching me outside, 3 skeins of Lion brand Mandala. You guys, I bought this mandala 2 years, probably 3 years ago now. This is Lion brand Mandala. It is super spectacular. There is nothing wrong with this yarn. It is brand new skeins. This year will probably be the year that I give all of my mandala away. When I bought this, it was a gigantic box I received. When I buy yarn, I do buy it in bulk. I find the best, absolute lowest price, and then I just buy. I buy like $150, $200 worth of the same yarn, and then I have it for like a couple years. And then I give it away to all of you guys. So this yarn I bought, it was still when we were in the pandemic. This yarn has doubled. I got this yarn for like $3, and now it's like $10, $11, $12 a skein. Crazy, I know. Why don't I keep it? I'm never gonna do anything with it. So Lion brand Mandala, you know it, you love it. It's 3 skeins of this gorgeous color. Each skein is 590 yards. I did make a fabulous crochet cardigan. It was a cocoon cardigan. I will actually link that up above. That crochet cardigan is so super spectacular. I did make that crochet cardigan is so beautiful. I should be wearing it, but I totally forgot that I made it. Anyway, Lion brand Mandala. This color is called Centaur. The colorway is absolutely stunning. You have the rust, the kind of gray color, The mustard, really, really pretty. Each skein is 590 yards. It's a 3-weight with a 5mm hook. Really, really pretty. Plus, I decided to throw in 3 skeins of Big Twist Value. Big Twist Value is really one of my favorite yarns. Look at these colors. The colors are super spectacular. I'm really kind of bummed out that I didn't buy the yarn. I'm really sorry about that. I set a timer and it just went on. I'm really bummed out that I didn't buy the yarn when it was at $2.50, but you guys, I have so much yarn. I was bummed out, but now I'm not because I stopped myself from buying it. Anyway, 3 skeins also of the Big Twist Value yarn. Super, super beautiful. 380 yards each. This is a 4-weight 5mm hook. You have chocolate brown, you have medium gray, and then this one is also mustard. Really, really pretty. And the colors actually go really, look at how pretty that is. The colors go really, really well with the mandala. What do you have to do to win this yarn? All you have to do is make sure you're subscribed to my channel, you guys. You guys are superstars. You're rock stars. You guys have been subscribing to my channel like so awesome, and I really, really appreciate all of you. So just make sure you're subscribed to my channels, you guys, and then answer the following question. I do want to put in a little note to my international friends, okay? My giveaways are open internationally, okay? There is one caveat. If your name is picked and you live outside the United States, I will send you, I'll email you an Amazon gift card, like $25. Make sure if you enter my giveaways, you have an Amazon account or you have access to someone who has an Amazon account. That's all I ask. If you live outside of the United States, I will not send you the yarn, okay? You'll get an Amazon gift card, okay? I think that that's fair. And shipping outside the United States, shipping from the United States, even to Canada, even at the lowest price is ridiculous. It's insane. And I apologize for that, but I think an Amazon gift card, it's super easy for me to do. So that is what I'm offering you. If you do not like that, then please, please, please don't enter, okay? That is my little caveat. Anyway, so make sure you're entered or make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and please answer the following question. I actually heard someone talking about this the other day. I think it was on TikTok. And I started laughing to myself because this is the best question. And actually, I am kind of segueing. I think about this question quite a bit when I'm making dinner. So the question is that you have to answer down below in the description box is, when you eat dinner, okay, and you have a side, I know some of you don't eat carbs, which I limit my carbs to, but when you do have a carb on the side with your dinner, do you like potatoes or rice better? Which do you prefer, potatoes or rice? Or noodles? I do like potatoes. I am leaning towards rice, and I'm moving into the noodles camp. Answer down below in the description box, you guys. I hope you're having a great day. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Happy New Year, everyone. It's going to be a great year. And I just appreciate you being here, everyone, you guys. And thank you so much for watching my channel. And we're going to make it a great year, okay? Have a great day, everyone, and we'll talk to each other in the next video. Bye!